And now, your Valley Storm Team forecast.
Well, good morning, everybody. Before we get to the details of your Christmas Eve and the rest of today, and as we head into your Christmas Day, let's start with today's weather explainer and talk about why Rudolph's nose is red. Why not a different color? Why not blue, green, yellow, purple? Well, let's talk about it. Because all colors, they have different wavelengths. You have ultraviolet over here, higher energy, shorter wavelength compared to the reds, which have lower energy but a longer wavelength. And that does play a role as to why Rudolph's red nose works the best. If we compare it to a blue nose have if it was a blue nose anyway, shorter wavelength, shorter distance traveled, and it's easily scattered compared to a red nose where it's not easily as scattered. In fact, red light is able to travel almost 5 times as far as blue light through air, which includes fog, and as well as if there's snow. So that's why Rudolph's red nose will always go down in history. But tomorrow is Christmas Day, so let's dive into the forecast. As we head into the rest of the day today, we're going to continue to see a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures pretty much staying into the 80s from now up until 6 o'clock tonight. Then by 10 p.m. this evening, clear skies and 70 degrees. But your Christmas morning is going to start off with a little bit of fog, just like what we've seen this morning. Temperatures around 67, and then through the afternoon we'll top out into the mid 80s. Definitely not feeling like Christmas or winter-like weather outside. In fact, our average where we should be for this time of year is 72 degrees with an average morning low of 51. Now the highest in the record for tomorrow is 89, with the temperatures dropping back in 1989 from 18 degrees, and then of course the extreme of measurable snowfall back in 04 where we saw 1.5 inches. Pretty much we're going to stay warm and above average throughout the next several days until that cold front sneaks in Monday morning, and that's going to bring us a significant drop in temperatures into next week. And I know I talked about it a little bit earlier in the show, but here's a look at the conditions at McAllen International Airport. Right now, all flights are on time, though still check with your local airlines and your specific airline as to whether or not your flight's delayed, taking out on time. Y'all know the drill when flying. But that cold front, it's definitely going to pack a punch for us here in the valley. We're talking temperatures at 66 for Monday, plus gusty north winds, a 30% chance for rain, more cloud cover. Then we fall to 61 for your Tuesday afternoon.